Magmula sa nagwawalang mga NBA players, pangit na free throw ni Joakim Noah hanggang sa mukhang ito ni Austin Reeves, ay narito ang mga nakakabaliw na mga reaksyon sa kasaysayan ng NBA. Simulan nga natin yan sa celebration na ito ng Brooklyn Nets.
His three, it's good! Timeout Boston!
Ang tindi pala nila kung mag-celebrate, pero mas matindi pa dyan itong susunod.
Three up high and off the ball! Caruso parachutes in!
Kahit nga si LeBron ay hindi makapaniwala, pero mas matindi naman ang reaksyon ni Wendell Carter Jr. sa free throw ito ni Giannis.
He has always been kind of a shaky free thrower, and an air ball is the first time.
He's got all those muscles. Well, at least got to hit the rim. Oh my goodness.
Well, remember in that up and down.
Sa susunod na clip naman ay nakakatawa ang ginawang ito ng isang NBA player dahil ito ay umutot.
A warm-up before the game, that's something standard he did before Game 1 and Game 2, and minutes before Game 1 and 2, he decided I'm gonna...
Ang baho nun panigurado mga idol. Pero kung epic lang naman ang pag-uusapan, ay mas malupit ang ginawang ito ni Lance Stephenson. Kaya naman pala, inapakan mo pala Lance. Ngayon naman ay panoorin naman natin ang reaksyon ni Joakim Noah sa kanyang pangit na free throw.
Enough for them to turn it around. Certainly. Oh my.
Just, whoa.
Oh whoa.
It was
Oh
wide
whoa.
right. That's a Florida State player right there.
Oh my goodness.
Nakaka-bad trip talaga yon. Pero mas nakaka-bad trip ang airball na ito ni Tristan Thompson.
Foul inside of 2 minutes. Thompson, who is a poor free throw shooter for his career, gets 2 shots. 61% lifetime, 51% in his stints with Sacramento and Indiana this year.
Balikan naman natin ang ginawa ni Shannon Brown noong 2009 nang gawin niya ito.
The very beginning. Fell asleep there. Brown gives it
Yoink!
down up there. Took it away from Weston. Led him to the top, and the crowd
on their
really liked it. His teammates liked it too.
I told you that's a defensive guy. I mean, he is athletic as can be. Turnover, all of a sudden, Shannon says,
Panoorin naman natin ang pang-inis na ito ni Giannis kay James Harden.
two-time MVP.
See, I think this takes so long. Like his routine, and interestingly, watching him pregame, he doesn't do it consistently. Sometimes it's 5 dribbles, sometimes it's 6. There's the Brooklyn crowd counting out the second.
I don't think he was the...
Gigil na gigil tuloy sa kanya si James Harden mga idol. Isunod naman natin ang kakaibang ginawa na ito ng referee matapos tumawag ng foul.
There's David West. He won't pass it up this time to runs over. Blocking on the Lakers. As West goes down, he might be hurt.
Okay ka lang ba, ref? Ngayon naman ay panoorin natin ang twerking skills na ito ni Nikola Jokic.
The first of 4 meetings as Bill Kennedy gets jabbed in the face. I'm sure he'll remember that in the next 48 minutes against Jokic and the Denver Nuggets as we are officially underway.
Grabe ka na, Joker. Pero alam nyo bang may galit itong si Devin Booker sa isang mascot? At gusto niya itong palabasin.
This is on the free throw from Book, his first free throw attempt. You see the Raptors mascot. You know, when there's nobody else in the building, you kind of stand
Booker,
there.
by the way, Booker's complaining about the Raptor, the lone fan that's there. I mean, the Raptor, he's been sent away. Aaron Smith sent him away. I mean, there's nobody in the gym.
That ain't right. Come on.
Napakaiyakin mo naman, Booker. Sunod naman natin itong malupit na tirang ito ni LeBron James.
3-point game. Now the Cavs have to go 94 feet. Kevin Love down the floor for LeBron James on target. Turns, sends it. LeBron. Yeah! You gotta be kidding me! Life is about do-overs! Don't look at it when it should count! 120 apiece! You have to be kidding me! Kevin Love!
Nakakatakot talagang patirahin si LeBron James. Pero mas nakakatakot pala si Shaquille O'Neal. Kagaya na lamang ng matakot kay Shaq ang kanyang buong teammates.
No place to go. Somehow, though, it ends up in the hands of Rudy Gay. He can't finish because Shaq was there. And looks like another one of those Superman flying efforts is coming up again. And you saw the sun clearing out.
know, usually your bench guys are going to stay there and make sure you don't get hurt and help you. They said, the heck with this, I am getting out of the...
Sino ba namang gustong madaganan ng 600 pounds giant na kagaya ni Shaq? Pero kung epic na ang makasama si LeBron James, ay mas epic pala na kasama mo siyang gumawa ng memes.
Fully engaged, every possession, every moment. LeBron, he and Austin Reeves having a conversation.
Speaking of epic moments, ay panoorin natin ang reaksyon na ito ni Travis Scott.
Harris and Travis Scott getting involved as well here on the sidelines.
Pati nga rin si Kevin Hart ay may epic reaction matapos mag-airball ni Jaylen Brown.
Jaylen Brown's at the line here for 2 free throws. Played a lot of minutes in this first half. Oh, yeah. Not pretty for Brown.
Pangtawa talaga si Kevin Hart. Pero hindi lang si Kevin Hart ang nagbibigay ng excitement sa NBA dahil nariyan din ang mga commentator.
Now they switch it. Here's Pierce again. A Smith screen. Posey will defend. Oh! LeBron James with no regard for human life has given the Cavaliers their biggest lead tonight.
Tindi nun mga idol. Kagaya nga rin ng sinabi ng isang commentator kay Derrick Rose noong 2010.
Lead pass.
Stop it! Stop it! Do not do him like that! What are you doing, Dragic? Did you not get the memo? Derrick Rose can go upstairs.
He double clutches this. Watch this.
Oh my goodness! I want to go higher! Oh my goodness! Dragic!
Panoorin naman natin ang epic reaction ng isang referee matapos madistorbo ng isang fan.
After reviewing the play, the common foul stands as called.